everyone and welcome to our home-based story. My name is Mimi and I'm here to help you find different online opportunities and earn extra cash without leaving the comforts of your home. So if you are new to this page or this channel, please consider subscribing or following us. Okay, so guys, right now that the pandemic is already slowly, fading away, right? And most of the people here are being sent back to the office. Aww. And if you're one of those who are thinking of, staying at home, then, guys, working at home is not your only option. You can also do a business from home. And one of the business that has been trending this past years is dropshipping. So I've already featured dropshipping before, but I wanted to share with you guys how you can start it this 2022. So guys, in this video, I will show you how you can create an online store, how you can find a product or some products to sell, how to promote those products so you can sell them online and make a profit. So if you're interested in starting up your online business and earning from dropshipping, please stay with me until the end of our video so you don't miss out on any important information. Okay, so guys, for those of you who are new to this channel, if you don't know dropshipping yet, it's a way of selling online wherein you don't need to hold the products. So what you're gonna do is just market them, and if someone buys from you, all you need to do is just tell your supplier, the one who holds the product, to ship it under your name to the person who's buying. So your role as a dropshipper is to set up the store where people can, buy the product that they're looking for, and it's gonna be the supplier who's gonna send it under your store's name. So this is just a quick overview of dropshipping, guys. Guys, the reason why I wanted to share with you is there is this case study where a student actually earned this amount by just dropshipping. So it means you're not bound by your location, you're not bound by your age, your educational attainment, or your experience. Anyone, guys, can start dropshipping as long as you have the determination to make it work. Okay, so guys, let's go to our computer so that I can show you how we can start our online store and find products that we can make profit from.
Okay, so the store that we're going to create today is under Shopify, where you can build your own e-commerce website in 3 easy steps. Let's just put our email here and then click on Start Free Trial, create a password,
and then let's just click on Create Your Store. So now that we already have a store, we need to set up how it looks like.
Okay, so I've already selected a theme, but our store doesn't have anything yet. So the next step would be to find and add a product.
Now, since you want your business to be profitable, you need to choose, guys, a product that, not many people are selling but has that wow factor. So guys, for this one, we'll use Pocket to add the products that we can sell.
They are the largest dropshipping platform for US and EU products.
Okay, so I've chosen them because they're easy to integrate with any online shopping websites like Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, WooCommerce. What I like most about them is they provide branded invoicing. So it would look like if the customer receives your product, it would look like it came directly from you. Because one thing, guys, about dropshipping is that it takes forever sometimes for the products to get shipped. Now with Pocket, the products comes directly from US and Europe. So it's a fast shipping product.
Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and log in to our Pocket account. So here, what we need to do first is to connect our Shopify account. So let's click on that. Let's enter our Shopify URL store here and then click on Connect Store. And then it will say here, you are about to install Pocket, and it's gonna show you some permissions. Just read through it carefully and then scroll down where it says Install App. So just click Install App so that Pocket will be integrated with your Shopify store. Now let's go back to Pocket, and the next step will be to search products and add them to your import list. Okay, so guys, Pocket has tons of products that you can choose from to sell. You can see here on top the different niche, like if you want to sell women's clothing, if you're into accessories like jewelry and watches, bath and beauty, tech accessories, pets, home and garden, kids and babies, accessories. There's so many categories here that you can choose from. And on the left here, you can filter them either from US or Europe products. And then you also have the AliExpress or the Ali scraper, which we'll check later. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out their tech accessories. You can actually filter it out depending on which country they're shipping from and where you want to ship them to. And then if you also want premium products or best sellers, so I'm gonna click on both and then let's select view results. So I've already added a bunch of these onto my import list so that I can review them later. So one of the things that I like is this rechargeable astronaut LED sunset projection lamp. So this one actually twirls, which is really cool, guys. I also like this rotating flower pot. So it's also a desk lamp that you can connect to a USB, and it's magnetic, so you can put in there your table plants and such.
After browsing, I found and decided on this luminous 7-color LED mask, guys. So this is the product. It looks cool, it keeps you safe, it's easy to clean. And this one has a trend on TikTok, but it's not yet an overly saturated or trending product. So I believe we can find a definitive market for this. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to our store.
Click on add to import list. Okay, when we go to the import list, you will see here the product that you added, the description, the different variants that you can order, together with the quantity of order, and then of course the images. So these will all be imported into your Shopify account. All you need to do is just click the button where it says push to store. And if you go back to your Shopify account and check on the products, your inventory is already there and it's already active. So guys, if you want to add more products to your store, we can go back and search for more products. Now, apart from the US and Europe products, Spocket also has the function where you can import from AliExpress using the Ali Scraper Chrome extension. So this one is free. Just click on add to Chrome. For example, you want to add this vacuum cleaner brush office desk. You can see here the button where it says import to Spocket. So just click on that and then just log in with your Spocket account. And then it would say here import product to Spocket. And then it should be added to your import list. So there you go, it's already added. And if you want to add it to your store, you could just click on push to store. Alright, now guys, if you're having trouble, deciding on what products you should sell, you can check out Spocket's Help Center. So it says here that they have a great catalog, so it's a great way to increase your conversion for your store. So these are the different catalogs that they have. For example, I'm gonna select the minimalist eco-friendly collection. And then they're gonna present you with the different collections that you can add to your store, which makes it easier to create a more cohesive catalog. Okay, so guys, let me just finalize the store so we can move on to the next step.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we bought this product $10. I believe we can sell this for about $15. I made it cheaper so that it makes it a faster moving product. Now this is how our store looks like now. You have there your product, the quantity of their order, and how they can add it to cart and check out. Now the payment method available for this one is only through PayPal, but of course you can add more with Shopify. There are lots of other payment methods that you can add here. Now if you see here, guys, our store actually looks simple, but the trick in dropshipping, guys, is not about how you set up your store, how cool or beautiful your product is. The success of your product actually depends on how you can market your product effectively, meaning how you can make more people see it and more people want it. Alright, so since most of you are still new in dropshipping, I'll share with you some tips on how we can do this. First is we're gonna post this on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. I also found some few TikTok videos about this product that we can repost. So we'll just give credit to the owners. And then we can also have some influencers market it for us. So we can invite some TikTokers or email some YouTubers to try and show the product on their videos. So it depends on which style you're most comfortable in. Again, guys, don't be afraid to spend on marketing your product. Think of it as an investment in your business with, possibly great results. So now that we've already, 1, set up a store, 2, added a product, 3, we already have a plan for marketing. So after that, the last thing left, on the steps is to make a sale and earn some profit. So this usually takes some time, guys. It's not like when you post it, someone's gonna buy your goods right away. Usually with dropshipping, it could be slow at the start and then it would gradually increases as the more goods or the more people buy and share your product online.
Okay, so guys, since Pocket is already integrated with your store, with your online store, if ever you get an order, it will appear here on the My Orders list. What's good about Pocket is that if you have more than one order, you can do a bulk checkout, which will allow you to check out up to 25 orders at once. And then if you want to send out your invoice to the customer, it's gonna look like this. So you can customize there your logo and then also the details of your store here down below. So again, guys, if you want to start your online business this 2022 through dropshipping, sign up with Pocket, which will make everything much seamless and easier for you. I will put the link, guys, on the description box down below so that you will be directed automatically to their website.
And if someone orders from us, then it's gonna be Pocket who's gonna send them the inventory, and in turn, we're gonna get paid for it. So it's that easy, guys. And if you want to, tap into the US or, the global market all in all, then definitely this is the fastest way to go. Okay, so guys, to help you start your business, we are giving away a free 1 year, 1 year subscription to Pocket's plan. So all you have to do is sign up. You don't need to purchase anything, guys, and comment below #Pocket2022 and tell us why you think that online business is a good income source for this year. Pocket will be the one, guys, to pick the winner, and it will be announced on our social media pages so that you can, or the winner can, claim their prize. There you go. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any other comments or suggestions, feel free to put it on our comment section below. By the way, guys, we have a laptop giveaway coming this March 31st. It's our biggest giveaway yet on our channel, so make sure you check it out and join. I'll put the link in the description box below, so make sure you check it out.